Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing I will put number 2 on numerator and denominator. The next one I need to add number 1. Later that we need to minus number 1. Next, we have the formula in here. Number 1 equal to sin x squared plus cosine x squared. And now, we need to change number 1 into this one. So, this one, that is about identities. So we have sin x plus cosine x to the power of 2. So this one divided by this one. So we have sin x plus cosine x minus number 1 over sin x plus cosine x. Next, the integration of sin x, that is about negative cosine x. The integration of cosine x, we have sin x minus, and we have the integration of this one with the x. Now, I need to concentrate about this one in here. So, we can use about voltage. Substitution. So I will put about t equal to tan of s over 2. So this one we have sin x equal to 2t over 1 plus t squared. And the second one, that is about cosine x equals to 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. ds equal to number 2 dt over 1 plus t squared. Now, I will put this one go in here. This one go in here. And this one go in here. Now we simplify 1 plus t squared by this one. So we need to arrange a little bit. Now, for this one, we can put like this. Now, I need to add number 1 in here. That means we need to minus number 1. Negative, negative. We have positive number 1 in here. And 1 plus 1, that is about number 2. So this one, that is about identities. So I will put number 2 in here. So for this one, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. We have t minus 1 equals to the square root of number 2 sin z. So because I put this one go in here, we have number 2 sin z square, number 2, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sin z square, we change by cosine z square, and later that we simplify by dt. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equals to the square root of number 2 cosine z dz. So I will put this one gone here. dt we change by this one. So this one we have number 2 sin z square. Number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. So number 2 and number 2 we simplify. This one we change by cosine z square. Cosine z we simplify. And this one we have the square root of number 2 secant of z. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of z plus tan z, and I will put about c. About z, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 2. And now we can find the value of z equal to arc sine of t minus 1 over the square root of number 2. And then I will put this one to change for z. About t, that is about tan of s over 2. And now we can go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And I will put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.